Hi friends, this is Sarah McClure, your luxury travel advisor, and today I'm taking you along on one sweet adventure, a visit to the Graycliff Chocolatier in Nassau, Bahamas. If you're arriving by cruise ship, Graycliff is just about a 15-minute walk from the terminal, or you might have a tour like we did with transportation and air conditioning included. As soon as you arrive, you are greeted by bold tropical flowers and a patio splashed in vibrant magenta and teal. Our tour kicked off in the back room where we got a lesson on cacao farming and Graycliff's chocolate-making history. Then it was time to suit up. We headed into the factory where the magic happens. Be sure to grab a spot up front because the acoustics can be a little echoey. And then the real fun began, tasting time. We were each given 3 spoons and were able to take a sample of dark, milk, and white chocolate straight from the production line. I chose the dark chocolate because it was so rich and velvety. Next up, we each got a mold, toppings like sprinkles and coconut flakes, and let our creativity run wild. Some of us were very careful and precise. Others were a bit more haphazard. And one of us was an artiste and swiped some chocolate from each of us to build his own masterpiece. While your chocolate bars cool off, you can wander around the shop. There are tons of goodies and gifts to take home. We returned to the kitchen to pick up our bars. Notice how we even signed our names in chocolate. You simply pop the bar out of the mold and slide it into a cute little box to take home. And here's another little tip. Ask your guide if you can also keep your leftover chocolate that didn't make it into the mold, and you may just have the best tasting chocolate pop ever. Thanks for joining me on this delicious tour in Nassau. If you're dreaming about your next vacation, I'd love to help you plan it. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and reach out when you're ready for your next travel adventure.